Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs using only a microwave. First, crack 2 large eggs into a microwave-safe bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of milk or water. This helps make them extra fluffy. Whisk the eggs thoroughly until they are well combined, then season with a pinch of salt and pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfectly cooked eggs in minutes. Now, place your bowl into the microwave and cook on high power for 30 seconds. After this initial burst, carefully remove the bowl. The edges might start to set, which is perfectly normal. Stir the eggs vigorously with a fork, breaking up any cooked portions and redistributing the mixture. This step is crucial for achieving an even, creamy texture. Place the bowl back into the microwave for another 30 seconds on high power. Once the time is up, remove the bowl and check the eggs. They should be mostly set but still look slightly moist in the center. Give them one final stir to ensure a consistent, creamy texture. If they seem too wet, you can microwave them for an additional 10 to 15 seconds. After the final stir, let your scrambled eggs rest for about 1 minute. This allows them to finish cooking gently and become even more tender. You can garnish them with fresh chives, shredded cheese, or a dash of hot sauce if you like. Serve your perfectly cooked microwave scrambled eggs immediately with toast, bacon, or any other breakfast favorites. Enjoy your quick and easy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.